Okay, we are looking at 12-4, comparing rates on page 308. So they want to know, how can you use unit rates to compare? For example, Ethan swam 11 laps in the pool in 8 minutes. So 11 laps in 8 minutes. Austin swam 7 laps in the same pool in 5 minutes. Which boy swam at a faster rate? So in order to do this, we need to find the unit rate so that we can compare to find out who swam faster. Okay, first let's look at Ethan's unit rate, or finding his unit rate. Right now it shows us that he can swim 11 laps in 8 minutes, and we want to get this down to 1 minute. We want to find out how far can he swim in 1 minute. So you're going to divide the first term by the second term, or 11 divided by 8, which they show you down here. And they show you what it would be in a fraction, but I want it in a decimal, a little bit easier to compare. So if you just punch in your calculator 11 divided by 8, you're going to get 1.375 laps. That's how far Ethan can swim in 1 minute. Now let's look at Austin. Austin can swim 7 laps in 5 minutes. So we want to find out how far he can swim in 1 minute. Alright, so we're going to divide 7 by 5. 5 by 5 gives me the 1, so we're dividing both by 5 over 5. And if you take that and you would make it a mixed number, you'd get 1 and 25, or 2 over 5. But we want to get a decimal here, so in your calculator you can put 7 divided by 5, and you would get 1 and 4/10 of a lap. Now you can compare these two times. I have Ethan, who can swim 1.375 laps in 1 minute, and then I have Austin, who can swim 1 and 4/10 of a lap in a minute. So if I compare these two, I can see that Austin is actually swimming at a faster rate because 1.4 is greater than 1.375. So Austin's swimming faster. Okay, let's look at another example on page 308. How can you use these unit prices to compare? Or how can we find a unit rate which in prices? So we're finding unit prices, and you actually probably do this more than you think, or maybe you see your parents do this because you want to find the best deal. So here's our question. What's the better buy, right? 3 tacos for $2.40 or 4 tacos for $3.40. In order to find out, we need to find unit prices. So set it up as a rate, and we're going to write $2.40 over 3 tacos because we want to divide by 3, compared to $3.40 over 4 tacos because we'll divide by 4 then. So here we have $2.40 divided by 3. If you put that in the calculator, 2.4 divided by 3, well, for those tacos, it's 80 cents per taco. Over here, if we have $3.40 for 4 tacos, and we divide that, so $3.40 divided by 4, it's 85 cents per taco. So the better deal is right here, 3 tacos for $2.40, because then we're spending less money per taco. Okay, for homework I'd like you to do number 1, A, B, C, and D. Alright, find the unit rates to answer the question, and it's asking you step by step here. Which has a faster average speed? Okay, which one's faster? A car that travels 600 feet in 20 seconds, or a motorcycle that travels 300 feet in 12 seconds. So they want you to A, write each speed as a rate, B, find the unit rate of the car, C, find the unit rate of the motorcycle, and then D, compare the unit rates to figure out which one has the faster average speed. And then bring it to class tomorrow and bring a question. See you then.